Hi, everyone. My name is Nicole Meerwaldt. I'm an associate in Gowling WLG's Calgary office, and I'm a member of our recently formed Essential Services team in Alberta. This video is part 2 to our webinar on essential services in Alberta. In this video, we will provide an overview of the support available to employers during this time. And if you would like to see an overview of the orders that have already been made regarding the operations of businesses in Alberta, including the businesses that have been deemed non-essential, please see part 1 of this webinar. This is a difficult time for all Canadians, including business owners. As such, the federal government and the provincial government have implemented some support for businesses during this time. We'll begin with the wage subsidy program, which has been recently introduced. The Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy Program provides a subsidy of up to 75% of wages for qualifying businesses in an attempt to keep employees on the payroll. To qualify, a business must show a 30% reduction in revenue due to the COVID-19 pandemic. All businesses are eligible regardless of size. Employers who qualify must show that they are paying the same salary to the employees that they were previously receiving, and that they are making their best efforts to pay the remaining 25% of their salary. Employers who qualify for the plan are expected to hire back employees that they have laid off as a result of COVID-19. Prime Minister Trudeau stated that there will be penalties implemented against employers who take advantage of this program. It is not yet clear what those penalties will look like or how they will be enforced. The Minister hopes to have the Canada Revenue Agency portal up and running in 3 to 6 weeks from now, at which time employers may apply. It is anticipated that further details on this plan will be released in the coming days and weeks. The next program that is available to employers is the Work Sharing Program. The program is designed to help employers avoid layoffs where there's a temporary reduction in work. It is a 3-party agreement that involves employers, employees, and Service Canada. Employees in a work sharing program must agree to a reduced work schedule and share the work available over a specified period of time. A work sharing agreement must be at least 6 consecutive weeks and last up to 76 consecutive weeks under the new circumstances. Employers may reduce an employee's schedule by a minimum of 10% and a maximum of 60%. Employment insurance benefits are provided for eligible employees as income support during this time. To be eligible, employers must have been in business for 1 year, operate year-round, be a private business, publicly held company, or a not-for-profit organization, and have 2 or more employees that are on as full-time or part-time staff and are considered core staff. In Alberta, the Workers' Compensation Board has announced a premium relief for 2020. Small, medium, and large private sector employers can defer their WCB premium payments until 2021. Employers who have already paid their premiums in 2020 are eligible for a rebate or a credit. For small and medium businesses, the government will waive 50% of the 2020 premium when it is due in 2021. Businesses that have less than $10 million in insurable earnings in 2020 may be eligible for this waiver. For large employers, their 2020 WCB premium will be deferred until 2021, at which time it becomes due. Corporate income tax balances and installment payments are deferred until August 31st, 2020, in an effort to increase employers' access to cash so that they can pay employees, address debts, and continue their operations. Finally, the federal government has announced the establishment of the Business Credit Availability Program to help businesses obtain financing during the uncertain times surrounding this pandemic. Additionally, financial institutions have announced financial relief programs for their clients. We recommend that you contact your financial institution to inquire about the programs that may be in place for you. This concludes the second part of our webinar on essential services in Alberta. If you have any questions about whether your business qualifies for the programs discussed or would like more details on the support available to your business during this time, we invite you to contact a member of our essential services team. We have provided the contact information for our Alberta team leaders, Zafar Jaffer and Krista Schofer, in this slide.